that caught the train. It's the Royal River Gorge train. Had to stop to film that for you. The Santa Express. How interesting. Look at all the people on the open car. What a beautiful ride. Let's see if we got some waivers. We got waivers! Yay! Too cool. When in Canyon City, that's really the one thing that's very cool to do. When we did this 2 years ago, they had an awesome beef Wellington dinner. It was fantastic. I don't think they have that anymore, but still a beautiful ride through the canyon. Well, back to running.